Morning. Good morning, children. How are you all? Everyone is good at home? So, children, let's start another tutorial of GK. But what we are going to do in this tutorial? In this tutorial, we are going to discuss few of the current affairs. Current affairs, can we discuss all the current affairs? I don't think so, Bache. We can't discuss all the current affairs because current affairs are the daily changes, the things that are happening daily. And that definitely daily a new thing will happen, a new day is there. So we can't discuss the current affairs all the time. For having a good knowledge of current affairs, you have to go through the newspaper, you have to go through the news daily. However, we will discuss few common current affairs that are occurring in this month, in the previous month. Okay, the latest ones you can say. Let us discuss. I can just give you an idea of what type of questions can come. Right? Firstly, the current affairs that are based on our school. Right? School-based current affairs, like the most common events that had just happened in our school that can come in your exams. For example, recently, definitely now you are a grown-up children. The questions are not asked to you in which school you are being studying and how many houses are there in your school. Obviously, you all know that there are 4 houses, clubs, and all these things. Afterwards, name of the principal, you all are familiar with these things. But the recent events that have happened, like we have celebrated 75th Independence Day in this year. Remember on which date we have celebrated the Independence Day? Yes, on 15th August. And on 15th August 2021, we had celebrated 75th Independence Day, right? And this occasion is being celebrated to us by Kalidas House. Okay, it is organized by Kalidas House. You might have got the videos, you have watched it. If not, then kindly watch it. Okay, Kalidas Houses has organized this event, and on 16th August 2021, there is a holiday. It is very much mentioned in your book. Every year we celebrate this holiday. Actually, this is not a holiday. We go to pray because it is the Punya Tithi of Swami Ishwardas Ji. Punya Tithi of Swami Ishwardas Ji, and we just pray to God. Okay? All right, children. So definitely on 5 September, which festival we had celebrated? We are going to celebrate another festival, another event on 5 September. Can you know which event was it? Yes, obviously every year we used to celebrate this day. It is a teacher's day, and a teacher is a teacher only because of the students. We are teaching you, we are being called as a teacher because of you guys, children, right? And it is celebrated as a teacher day. Do you know why? Remember? Because this day is celebrated just to give honor to our first Vice President of independent India. Do you know, remember his name? Just to give the honor to the first Vice President. Who is he? Yes, he is Dr. Radhakrishnan, right? Dr. Radhakrishnan. So children, this type of questions can come from the school events which had recently happened, right? And you can go through all these events. Whatever message you got, kindly watch it. In your school groups, you come to know about the recent events, recent current affairs based on your school. All right. Secondly, we often discuss the current affairs that are based on the politics of India, right? Not too much, right? We are discussing some major posts that are being honored by different persons of the country. For example, President of India. You all know that. I'm just giving a review and I'm not going to write the name. You all know that. Still, you will check it by yourself. Who is the President of India? Yes, Mr. Ramnath Kovind. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Mr. Narendra Modi. Home Minister Amit Shah. Okay, Home Minister. Then we can also go for the other ministers after this. Yes, children. Who is the Vice President also? Right, this is based on the country. Major posts that are acquired by in the country, that are acquired by different personalities. Also, parallel things that are acquired in the state. Governor of Punjab, because we are living in Punjab. Okay, so we must know the Governor of Punjab. Then CM of Punjab, CM of Delhi. He is one of the most popular one. ठीक है ना? Governor of CM of Delhi, CM of UP. Okay. Aditya Yogi Nath, who is the Governor of Punjab. VP Singh, Mr. VP Singh Badnor, who is the CM of Punjab. Yes, Captain Amrinder Singh. UP का Yogi, Mr. Yogi Adityanath. Delhi का Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. ठीक है बेटे? Obviously, the question comes from this type. They are about those personalities who are in recent news. जो recent news में है उन्हीं के बारे में आएगा. Okay, right? And afterwards, let's move to the another topic, which is another one of the most common and most popular these days. That is about the Tokyo Olympics. Okay, so shall we move about the Tokyo Olympics? Remember, what are Olympic Games? These are one of the most famous type of games in which almost maximum countries of the world, they took part. They show their talent in fields of games. There are so many games in it, and this year in 2021, this Olympics held in Tokyo. Okay? Of course, this question is also coming, can also come in your exam. In which year the Olympics held in Tokyo, or vice versa, means in 2021, in which country the Olympics will hold. Right? This type of questions can also come. How many medals does India won in these Olympics? India won about 7 medals in these Olympics. Okay, the gold medal, how many gold medals does India won? 1. Silver, yes, India won 2 silver medals and 4 bronze medals. Okay, and naturally the winner is always remembered. Can you name the personality who has won the only gold medal for India? Yes. Yes, Bache, can you name that personality? It is Neeraj Chopra. He is the one personality that has won the gold medal for India. And can you name the game in which he won the medal? Yes, it is men's javelin throw. Men's javelin throw. Okay, this is the name of the game. This is the name of the person who won the only Gold medal for India. Definitely, it's a great honor to this person. Okay, and the 2 silver medals that are won by India, they are in the games of weightlifting and wrestling. Okay, India won silver medals in weightlifting and wrestling. Okay, and in hockey, we won bronze medal. Okay, in the hockey, we won bronze medal. Other medals, other bronze medals were won in wrestling and boxing, etc. Okay, other the bronze medals were won in wrestling and boxing, etc. Okay, children, sort of these questions can also be come in the exam. Also, another current affair, the latest current affair that comes, news comes in the month of August, that the name of one award has been changed. Rajiv Gandhi Award, its name has been changed as Dhyan Chand Award, right? The name of the Rajiv Gandhi Award, there was an award which is given to the players. Its name is changed as Dhyan Chand Award. Who is Dhyan Chand? He is a very good player, right? The name of this award has been changed. So this sort of questions can also come in your exam. And also with that, children, the news that come recently while I'm making this video, recently come Afghanistan. The news that is coming from Afghanistan. Afghanistan is being captured by another group. And that group is called as Taliban. So you can have a question based on Afghanistan. Okay? And who was the recent prime minister, not recent, who was the prime minister when it gets captured? So these sort of questions you have to check from the net, and you can go through the news daily, you can go through the newspaper, that will help you to enhance your knowledge, and this knowledge cannot be acquired in a day. Right? You have to accumulate this knowledge on daily basis. Is it okay, bache? You have to accumulate this knowledge. So you have to go through the books and newspapers, including this. These sort of questions can come afterwards. There can be another question like, who is the host of KBC? What is the full form of KBC, by the way? Yes, Kaun Banega Karodpati. It is one of the most popular serial. And who is the host of it? Yeah, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, right? So out of this questions can also become the most famous, most popular shows or most popular movie can also. Okay? But it is not the, some students are watching, some are not watching. The only common things can come in your exams. I hope you got an idea that what type of current affairs can come in your exams, and you can prepare for that. I think you all can prepare for that. So that's all for today, and I think you will prepare it. Let's meet in the another tutorial. Till then, bye bye, bache.